Hello, viewers. Greetings of the day. I'm Nidhi Tilakraj, a trained mediator. It's my pleasure to share with all of you my views on the concept of mediation. Mediation is not a new concept. It's prevailing since Vedic period. If we recall the role of Lord Krishna in Mahabharata, it was nothing but the role of a mediator between Kauravas and Pandavas. If we take the example of panchayat system, it's also an example of early mediation. But now, with the introduction of Section 89 in CPC, the concept of ADR, including mediation, has acquired legal shape. Mediation is basically an amicable settlement between the disputing parties, where the neutral third party, called mediator, facilitates the disputing parties towards the amicable settlement. If the disputes are left unattended, they may turn into the conflicts, and then disaster may happen. In order to avoid these disasters, disputes needs to be addressed at the very initial stage, that is called pre-litigation stage, for which the Delhi Dispute Resolution Society is working day in and day out. Delhi Dispute Resolution Society has established a number of centers all over Delhi where the persons can file their complaint for the amicable settlement of their disputes. This idea of DDRS was conceptualized by Honorable Justice M.L. Mehta. With the help of mediation, the relationships are restored and the peace and harmony in the relationships can be maintained, which is not at all possible in litigation because in litigation the court decides the case, the disputes on the basis of the pleadings and the evidence of the parties. And in that case, the one party wins while the other party loses. In that event, the relationships cannot be restored. But the situation in mediation is entirely different. The beauty of mediation is that it is a win-win situation for both the parties because in mediation, the mediator helps the parties to focus on their interest, on their needs, rather to focus on their positions. So if the parties focuses on their interest and needs instead of focusing on their position, then in that scenario the parties get whatever they want. Presently we are dealing with the COVID-19 situation, and because of COVID-19 situation the court cases are rising. The cases between the employers and the employees, the cases between the landlord and the tenant, the consumer dispute and the matrimonial disputes, etc., are rising, and courts are flooded with a lot many cases. So, if in the present scenario the people opt for the mediation instead of going into litigation, they can get the solution of their problem very quickly without wasting their hard earned money, their time, their energy, and they can get the solution of their problem hassle free without going into the legal battle. Thank you very much. Keep watching.